Hello YouTube, enjoy the video. Don't forget you can pause, rewind and zoom in, which is a great feature. Don't forget to check out the link in the description and check out the website visualfusions.co.uk, and please leave a comment and a like, and a share is really important if you can, thank you. Well, I'm going to start with some liquid clear. Okay, there we go, nice thin coat there. Well, let's mix these two colours together. So I've got Prussian blue and a bit of phthalo blue, just to make it a little bit darker. Using the same brush, and I'm just going to apply this everywhere. So that's got Prussian blue and phthalo blue mixed together everywhere. I'm going to lighten up the sky. I think I want a moon somewhere. But first of all, I'm just going to lighten up the sky. Sort of blend this out a little bit. Have it sort of dark towards the edges, I think. Okay, let's just blend. I just want to lighten the sky up basically. So I want it dark but light in places. Just doing some little circular motions here. There we go. Right, okay, let's do a little bright spot for the moon. Do a little bit that comes something like this. I'm just going to flick out a few little things here. That's just to bring that up a little bit. And then just lightly go over that. And then we can put our moon on there, you see? Do like a nice moon just about here. I'm just going to twist this round and hopefully get like a moon shape. I'm just going to pull this in, just a faint little moon. Look at this colour I've got going on down here. I'm going to nick a little bit of this blue. I'm going to make it a little bit darker than this. I'm just going to try dabbing this on. I want to make some very sort of soft areas. I'm going to go back in with this brush and just darken a few places. Sort of around here. Just adding a little bit more dark onto here because I want this bit to sort of poke through. Let's go. I'm going to use the fan brush here. I just want to create some little sort of soft little trees poking through. I'm just going to soften up some of these. Just some little trees coming down here. Just putting all these little trees in here. Just soft. And we can create some nice little bushes and stuff that do in here. Just stuff that you might sort of see growing here. Just subtle. And let's go with some red. See if I can make the kind of colour I'm thinking of. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Look, just add a bit of red in there. You've got red, crimson, blue, turquoise. Make some interesting little trees. That's a nice little place to have some. Maybe just a touch of the blue in there. That'll do. Nice waterfall. Where do we want it? Let's have one that lives just there. Maybe there's another one that lives here. So I'm just going to put a little rock here. Need something to hold that in, so we're going to do one over here. So I'm making a green here. Just some little green things that live on this rock. We'll come back and put some little highlights on there. Yeah, let's do some little, I don't know, some little things. edges and banks. Have you checked out the website, everyone? Have you? Bob and Brenda want to know, have you checked out the website? Have you actually been there yet? There's paintings from as low as £40, some older stuff, some newer stuff. Free postage to the UK, and I also ship worldwide. Okay, let's do some water. You ready? Go here, just pull this down here. I don't know how much water we're going to have, but I'm just putting this on. Just the smallest amount. I don't know exactly where. Maybe it'll come over here. We can cut a lot off anyway. So yeah, let's just pull this straight down now. There we go. Right, we can add, look, we can be a little bit clever here. Where's that white one? See the waterfall? Let's just go somewhere about here and just pull up. This is an afterthought. Then we can just sort of play about with this water. Put some little sheens on there or whatever. Need a bit of movement because it's quite a nice waterfall. And come back, put some rocks in there as well. A few little highlights on these rocks. Not too light, not too dark. A little bit of colour down here, just reflecting some of that there. We can do that, look. This is so nice. Pull that colour down. And again, we just crumb across there. We've got some nice little reflections. Let's do a water line. This is where we need a bit of a water line coming through here. One that lives just here. It comes down there. Right the way there. We want a bit of a rock here. Let's go. Got to make these up. A bit of a light there. There's a big one that lives here. This here. So a nice sort of flat rock there. You can see just a little ledge that goes along here into the dark. Maybe it comes around here. All these little things growing. Sometimes that just sort of overhangs. Just a little bit of, so it's a little bit lighter. We can have some kind of little bush that lives here. We just put some little bushes there. The naming ceremony. There's my signature.